Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix a laptop screen that is broken. This particular laptop has a broken screen. You can see the marks here that the screen is broken, so I'll replace it with another one. Remember, this fix can work for all kinds of HP 15.6 laptop that are similar to this. This is the mark here, and this screen is bad, so I'll replace it with another one. Now the first thing I want to do is to shut down the PC. That is the first thing you should do if you want to replace the screen or work on your laptop. So I'll take out the two screws on the screen. The two screws are visible on the screen. I'm going to take it out. Your own model might have 4 screws there. Some models do have 4 screws, but this particular one has 2 screws. Then I'll take off this plastic that is holding the surface of the screen down. So I'll carefully and gently remove it. So for this, the base parts might be a bit difficult to remove, so I'll make use of my screwdriver to pry it open. So I'll just pry the second side open also, and it will come off easily. Okay, so I'll keep this aside because I will reuse it. Then the screen now. So I'll take out the 4 screws on the surface of the screen. So there's 1 screw here. I'll remove this. Then I'll remove the other ones at the other end too. So if you have a model of laptop, either HP, Dell, that the model is similar to this one, the design is similar to this particular replacement guide might actually work for you. Right, so this is the signal cable. Remember, it's very delicate. You have to remove it carefully. This is sellotaped here before. There's a glue holding this down here before. So carefully remove it and then pull out the signal cable carefully so that you don't damage the signal cable. Now the bar screen is out. This is the bar screen. You can see how this area is bad. I'm going to replace it with another one. But before I replace it with another one, I will remove the battery from the PC because I just want to be sure that the PC is off. This is the new screen I'm going to be replacing it with. You can see there's a new screen I'm going to be replacing it with. So this is also 15.6, it's the same size and the interface is the same. And one of the things you have to take note of when getting a screen is the interface. Interface is that part of the laptop that you fix your signal cable to. So I'm going to remove the battery right now. And the reason I'm removing the battery is because some PCs just go into sleep mode. You might not know, you think it's off, you don't know that it's in hibernation or in sleep mode. And if it's in hibernation or in sleep mode, that means the laptop is still on. If you put the screen that way, it might damage the screen or burn the motherboard. So you have to be very careful. Make sure the laptop is switched off. If possible, remove the battery completely so that you're sure that the system is off. So I'm going to replace it with another screen right now. So I'll carefully fix in the signal cable to the interface of the screen. Remember that the interface is very, very important. When getting your screen, 15.6 inches screen has a small interface and a wider interface. So you have to be very specific when buying your laptop screen. If not, you are going to buy the wrong screen. And by the time you want to fix it, you discover that the signal cable will not be able to enter the interface of the screen. And if you try to force it in, it will damage your screen. Alright, so now I'm going to fix in my screen. I'll fix in the interface, signal cable interface to the screen. So I just carefully fix it into the interface. Okay, it's done right now. I will put the screen back and then use the screws to hold them down. Remember, there are 4 screws holding the screen down, so I'll just fix in the 4 screws back. So remember, while handling this, you have to be careful. You have to be very careful. One small mistake, the screen can just go bad. This is a tiny, flat, very flat screen. So, and they're very, very delicate. They can break easily. You have to be very careful when handling them. So I'll just fix in the screws on either side of the screen to hold it down. Okay, so this is the first screw, and then I'll fix in the other screws at the other end of the laptop. Okay, the screw is done with, so I will just put my cover back, the front cover. And remember, when after fixing the front cover, you have to press it in with your finger, just like I'm doing right now. Press it in, you hear this snapping sound. Once you hear that snapping sound, that means it has keyed inside its slot. Okay, so I'll return my screws. Okay, so I think I'm through right now. What I'll do right now is to replace the battery. I'm going to replace the battery back. Okay, so this is successful. Screen is working fine, and the laptop is also working fine. Let me show you the front of this. Let me show you this screen properly so that you see that it's done. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.